and the components required are springboard, 2 power supplies, 1 functional generator and CRO, and electrical wires, 2 diodes and 2741 and 1 kilo ohm, and the CRO probes. So now you have to keep the circuit ready, and you need to connect the 2741s in the socket. Press gently and lock it. Now here 2 and 3 are shorted. Two and 3 are shorted. 2 of first op amp and 3 of second op amp are shorted. Then 4 for both 4 you need to give negative voltage, and for both 7 you need to give positive voltage. Hence we will short this 4, first op amp 4 and the second op amp 4, and also 7 of first op amp and 7 of second op amp. So shorting is everything done. Now for 3 we need to connect a negative voltage, that is LTP. So therefore we will use a black terminal for 3. For 3 we are giving a negative voltage, and for this 2 we need to give a positive 3.
LTP is negative.